I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 1 Series car battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by ensuring your car is completely off and the parking brake is set. You will need a 10mm socket, a ratchet with an extension, and a screwdriver. The battery is typically found in the trunk, under the floor panel. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's remove the old battery. Always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal first. Use your 10mm socket and ratchet to loosen the nut, then carefully move the cable aside. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, being mindful of any attached wiring or safety devices. Finally, remove the two 10mm nuts holding the black curved bracket and any other clamps that secure the battery, allowing you to lift it out. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. These batteries are quite heavy, so lift with care and gently lower it into the tray. Ensure the battery sits correctly and then reattach all hold-down brackets and clamps to secure it firmly. When connecting the terminals, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, using your 10mm socket to tighten them securely. To complete the installation, if your new battery is a lead-acid type, remember to reattach the vent tube to prevent gas buildup. Double-check that no tools are left in the trunk area. A crucial step for BMWs is registering the new battery with the car's computer. This process, often done with a diagnostic tool, informs the vehicle of the new battery, ensuring proper charging and extending its lifespan for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.